respect to Rajya Sabha, our CLP leader and our PCC president have taken a call, and that's about it. There is nothing more to add to that particular issue.
No, JDS always calls themselves a secular party. Like, the second candidate is also minority. Do you think what do you expect from them, sir?
See, if the JDS is really for the secular credentials and for preserving the constitutional values of the country, it is possible only with the Congress. And I think they should show some large-heartedness and join hands with us. Because when it came to Sri Devegowda ji's candidature, we were, although there was a lot of pressure within the party to put up a second candidate, we thought it is best to send a former Prime Minister and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge to the Rajya Sabha from Karnataka, because they will add a lot of value to the ecosystem there.